Hi children, let us begin with our class. Okay, worksheet 1.4 and continuation. In the last class we have completed 6 questions. Today we are going to discuss the question 7 and 8, isn't it? So let us begin with 7th question. 7th question, distance covered by Neeraj in 50 days is given. 50 days. For 50 days, what is the distance covered? 5,789 kilometer and 650 meter is given in the question for 50 days. So we need to calculate the distance covered by him in 1 day. Many is given, and in order to find the unit or for one quantity, what we have to do? Division. Many is given, and for finding the cost or whatever be distance of one unit, what we have to do? We have to do division. So here also we are dividing the given number. So given number kilometer, after kilometer 3 digits are there representing meter. So instead of kilometer, teacher put a decimal point, then 650. Okay. To make the division easy, we can form like this. Decimal point we can give. Instead of kilometer, we can put point. So 5789.650 by 50. So let us divide. Usual division method. Here divisor is 50. So take 2 digits at a time. 57. 57, how many 50s are there? Only 1. So 150, remaining balance 78. In 78 again 1 time 50. We have 28, bring down 9, 289. In 289 we have 5 50s are there, 250. Then we have 39, bring down 6, and before bringing 6 down, here is a decimal point. Keep the decimal point on the quotient also. Keep the same decimal point on the quotient. Then bring down 6. So 396. 396, how many 50s are there? 7 50s are there. 350, 46 balance, bring down 5. In 465, 9 50s are there. 450. So balance 15 only. Bring down the last digit 0. 150. 150 how many times? 3 times. So we have remainder as 0. Quotient as 115.793. Actually, instead of this kilometer, teacher told you to put decimal point, isn't it? So while writing the answer, instead of this decimal, we can write 115 kilometer. The balance one, 793 as meter. 793 meter, and it is finished. Let us move to the second question. What is given in the second question? Let us see. In the second question, the weight that a ship carries in a trip. The weight that carries by a ship in a trip is given as 16,67,238 decagram. Which unit is given? Decagram is given. And they told us to find the weight carried by the same ship in such 7 trips. See, one quantity is given. We have to find many. So what we do? Just opposite of this one. What is it? Multiplication. So multiply the given number 16,67,238 into 7. So we will have that much decagram. How much coming? 1 crore 16,70,666 decagram is our unit. But in that question, they asked you to represent the weight in kilogram. What is it? The weight in kilogram. So what we do to represent? How to convert decagram into kilogram. Kilogram is higher unit and this is smaller unit, isn't it? So when a quantity is converting from a small to big, the operation needed is division. How much? By divided by how much? 100 needed, because decagram to hectogram. Hectogram to kilogram. 10 into 10. 100. Okay. So divide this answer by 100. We have, take from your right hand side. This is division by tens, hundreds, zeros, thousands, etc. are coming. from your right hand side to left hand side. How many zeros are there in the denominator? 2. Take 2 places of decimal. 1, 2, place a decimal. So we have 116706.66 kg. Or we can read it as how much? 1,16,706.66 kg. Okay, small question only, answer the same. Let us move to our worksheet 1.5. So let us begin with our worksheet 1.5. In worksheet 1. It's very simple to you. Question number A says that write the greatest 5-digit number using any one of the digit twice. Any one of the digits twice. Okay, 4 digits are given. How to form a 5-digit number? Surely we have to repeat one of the digits among this, isn't it? So, the question is to find greatest 5-digit number. So, which number to be repeated? Greatest number among this, the greatest digit among this is to be repeated. So, which one is to be repeated here? For the first question, the digit 8 to be repeated. So, you write greatest number descending order. So, first you have to write 2 times 8. Then next number is 7. Next digit is 4. Last digit is 3 and it is finished. Okay. Similarly, here among the 4 digits, the greatest digit is 8. So, how many times do we want to repeat 8? 2 times. Then only we will get which number? A 5-digit number. Similarly, 7049 given. Among this, which one is the greatest digit? 9. So, repeat 9 2 times. Remaining digits only 1 time. Similarly, 9052, which one is greatest one? 9. So, repeat 9 2 times. Remaining numbers only 1 time. And it is finished. Same question, reverse order. Write the smallest 5-digit number using any of the digit twice. Smallest 5-digit number.